Hello friends, good evening to everybody. I am very new to this channel, so I request you all, please, if you like my channel, then subscribe to my channel and please post your like. My very purpose to coming to this channel is that whatever I want to say, I want that should reach to the public. Public should read it, view it, public should know it. That is why I am coming to this channel. That is the main reason of coming. I speak or write even in Facebook. Today I am coming to this channel here. Whatever I write, I speak. That is spoken or written, whatever comes in my heart. I always speak whatever comes in my heart. That is why, that is one of the reasons, many chief reasons you can say. The name of this channel I have given Inner Voice. Means whatever is coming in my mind, that I am speaking out. I feel pride that I could keep myself aloof from all sort of politics. Time to time, whatever I felt, I spoken. Sometimes I may favor somebody, sometimes I may not favor somebody, but definitely I favor the truth. Okay, let's come to the point. Whatever is happening since last 5 days, today is the 5th day, regarding the Arnab's arrest episode, you can say that the hashtag fourth pillar of the democracy is under threat. I speak like that. In this episode, really I feel disgusting. I am deeply agonized. I am very deeply agonized. The way that press, freedom of press is attacked. And our government machinery, they are doing virtually and absolutely nothing. Whereas they should have been very much vociferous in this matter. There are many leaders, many celebrities, many journalists, they are passing their remarks. But the bottom line is this: Arnab is still under judicial custody. That is undeniable. When I say this, it is very much important to mention that I have any special affinity with Arnab. No, definitely not. I don't have any special affinity with Arnab, but definitely with truth. I love truth. I respect truth. In this episode, this Arnab's episode, whatever is happening since the last 5 days, if I hold maximum most responsible for this, that is Bharatiya Janata Party. I don't have any hesitation to speak out like this. That is my favorite party. Of course, if I compare with any other parties, maybe by nano degree, I'll keep this party ahead. So now, when they are behaving totally irresponsibly, it pains me. That is why I hold BJP most responsible for this episode. Thank you. I request once again, if you like my statement, whatever I said on this channel, view this earnestly, And please subscribe to my channel and post a like. Thank you once again.